Profile VOX, which is part of the VOX Group, has been very active in the building materials market and home furnishings since 1992. In order to meet the market needs, in 1996, the company started offering soffit lining panels, which in 2011 was modified with the participation of contractors to fully meet the needs of individual customers. Here are the VOX Soffit lining panels. Soffit lining panels are a practical way to finish the roof where a good aesthetic result at an affordable price matters. Profile VOX Soffit lining panels are durable, lightweight, non-combustible material, resistant to decay, loss of knots, rust, mold, fungi and all kinds of insects and pests. Perforated panels provide proper roof ventilation. The semi-matte surface and panel structure perfectly imitate wood grain, and a perfectly selected colour range enable harmonious matching of soffit linings with other home elements. Excellent composition is ensured through matching the colour to the soffit lining, roof gutter, or according to the recently popular trend of matching it to doors and windows, shutters and garage doors. The matching of soffit lining's colour provides the whole building with harmony and aesthetic finish, which are evident in every detail. VOX Soffit linings panels requires no maintenance or painting, guaranteeing the user's long-term satisfaction backed by a warranty. It can be washed with water and detergents without using expensive and specialized resources. Karcher cleaning equipment is also allowed. The skirting linings provides ideal girding of panels, thus preventing them from fluttering in a strong wind. VOX Soffit lining panels are maintenance-free and provide good air circulation of the roof slope. The use of perforated panels provides proper air exchange between the surroundings and the roof slope, and the indoor temperature is lowered. This significantly affects the heat balance of the building and the accepted standards. It prevents moisture of roof slope and causes no heat loss. The soffit lining panels consists of the following components: SO7 soffit lining panel with perforation and SO8 panel without perforation, which gained high rigidity by changing the geometry of the profile. S25J trim. Through the profile geometry, it perfectly adapts to all curves, ensuring strong grip of the profile. HS28J trim provides aesthetic finishing of the soffit lining panels. What does the installation of the panels look like? The VOX Soffit lining panels are installed using a 3x5 impregnated wood laths. If the edge of the roof protrudes beyond the contour of the elevations more than 80 centimeters, the panels require additional supports. If this distance between the supports is less than 80 centimeters, then the panels are installed along the same elevation and roof gutter. J-trim is cut at an angle in the corner. Attach it to the wooden lath with a flathead screw or a washer in the center of the installation opening. Do not tighten it. Leave some clearance so the J-trim can operate. The components of the soffit lining panels can be cut using generally available tools, such as handsaw, angle trimmer, jigsaw and Tin Man shears. The soffit lining panel is installed by inserting it into the J-trims in the locking of the previously installed panel. When you clearly hear it click, that means the panel is installed correctly. The click panels guarantee secure and reliable installation. The use of the VOX Soffit lining panels will guarantee full satisfaction and a good effect lasting for years to come without having to use a replacement or maintaining it. The best evidence of the panel's recognition is given by the testimonials and reviews of satisfied users and contractors with whom we work. A nice thing about the VOX Soffit lining panels is that they can be attached up to 80 centimeters without additional support. We bought the VOX Soffit lining panels for several important reasons. First, it requires absolutely no maintenance. Second, it has a specially designed openings so that no insects fall in, while ensuring perfect roof ventilation. Third, due to the fact that we hired a team of certified fitters, we were given a 50-year warranty. Don't forget, another very important benefit, the colour range of soffit linings. They're perfectly matched to the rest of the house finish. The Certified Fitters program was introduced for contractors. There we train and educate the soffit lining panels with teams cooperating with us. Participation in the Certified Fitters program allows the team to extend the warranty on the soffit lining panels they've installed to 50 years, and a number of perks and additional materials to facilitate their work. Certified teams of fitters are equipped with banners that they hang in the development area to promote them and their work. Customers who choose us by recommendation are the best advertisement and recommendation of each company. By participating in the program and training, the team of fitters are entered in the list of those recommended by VOX. The VOX Soffit lining panels guarantee aesthetic and lasting roof finishing for many years.